Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crochet. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Leanna. In today's lesson, which is lesson 5 in our Crochet for Beginners series, we're going to take your crochet skills to the next level by learning how to do the increase and decrease stitches. These are essential techniques for shaping your work, whether you're making hats, garments or blankets. So let's get right to it. Let's start. Increasing. Okay, so what we're going to do is I've only done a quick chain up here, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm only going to do a row of single crochet in each of these across. If you're not sure how to do the single crochet, if you're not sure how to do the chain up, please refer to the description where there's links to the first few lessons to help you master these techniques. And then once you've done that, pop back in here and we'll go through the increases. Okay, so there's one row of increases. We're going to chain one and turn our work. Okay, so to start with, we're going to put one single crochet in there, another one in the next one. We're going to put 2 into the same stitch. So I went in there with 1, you can see. I'm going to put a second one into the same space, and that'll do an increase. So then I'm going to do another 2 single crochets, and then I'm going to do another 2 into the same space here again, and then 1 single crochet into each of the last 2 stitches. Oh, you see, you got these little ridges coming up. You'll see it curve as you go on, and then when we do the decreases, it'll pull it back again. Okay, so let's chain 1. We'll go over that again. Okay, so single crochet into the first 2, 1, 2, and then 1 into the next one. We'll do another 1 into the 4th as well, and then we're going to do 2 single crochets into the next, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, two single crochets into the next stitch, and then just single crochet right down to the end now. Chain 1, turn your work. See it's starting to curl. Okay, so we'll repeat that one more time. Okay, so 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. 1, whoops, 2, 3, and we're going to put in 2 into single crochets into this 1 stitch. Okay, and then we're going to do another 3 single crochets into each of the next 3 stitches. 2, and that is 3. So then 2 single crochets into this stitch here. 1, 2, and then just single crochet down to the end. There doesn't have to be a pattern to this or anything. Just for practice, it doesn't matter, but just I would advise doing at least 1 single crochet in between your increases. Okay, so now let's chain 1 and we'll do a couple of decreases. So what we're doing here is we're going to do 3 single crochets into the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, So now to do the decrease in, we're going to yarn over, pull through, and we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops. So that'll bring it down to 1 stitch there. And then 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches, and 1 more into the next one, and let's do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull it out, insert your hook to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 stitches, loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3, and then just single crochet down to the end. Okay, chain 1, and I'll show you that one more time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll do 5. Now we'll do our decrease in the middle here. Okay, so insert your hook, yarn over, pull it out, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and then pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And we'll just single crochet down to the end. You can use the one piece and you can keep practicing on this one piece. See, we've got a little ridge going on there now. But keep practicing. And the more you practice it, the easier it'll come. Okay, so now we're going to go through a half double crochet decrease. Okay, so you're going to yarn over, go into the hook, the loop, yarn over, come back out. You're going to yarn over again, go into the next loop, yarn over, come back out, and you should have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and go through all 5 loops on your hook, and that's a half double crochet decrease. I'll do 1 or 2 more half double crochets and we'll show you that again. So yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, go into the next loop, yarn over, pull back through, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5. Okay, and now we'll show you a double crochet decrease as well. Okay, so you're going to yarn over, go into the next loop, stitch, yarn over and pull it through, so you've got 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the next stitch and yarn over again and then pull it back through. So you'll have 4 now on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through 3 and close up. And you can see 2 double crochets are linked in to 1 stitch there. Same with the half double crochet. They both come up into 1 stitch there. Okay, I'll show you the double crochet one more time. Let's throw in an extra one there. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 left on the hook. And there you go. And that is how you do your half double crochet decrease and how you do a double crochet decrease. That's it for today. You've now learned the fundamentals of increase and decrease stitches. Practice a few more rows and watch the shape change. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lesson 6, where we're going to learn the treble stitch. See you in the next lesson. Happy crocheting!